Hi guys, I want to come on here real quick and show you guys what I got in the mail. This is for my co-worker's father. He ordered it from One Versus Woman, aka Marcel, and she made a custom domino set. So if you want to purchase one, I'll send y'all a link and we're gonna open it up. I asked him, was it okay for me to do this review? So he said, yes, go ahead. So this is her info. So nice. I'm just gonna touch one. Oh, they're gonna love this. It's so smooth. Oh, yes. Yes. So I will provide the link down below. Peace, love, and happy crafting. God bless. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Bye.